This system is going to break at its current trajectory, and you are going to have to pay the full price for that.
Started as an ugly day on Wall Street below its psychologically important 200-day moving average. That's considered a sell signal.
The housing affordability crisis looms large here. Mortgages are really expensive. There's no relief in sight for renting.
The cost to feed families is so high that more Americans are taking out short-term loans just to buy their groceries.
Guys, so the economy is in total collapse. The stock market put in its top. Jordan, you're in frame. You're in frame again, and I told you.
Someone has to drink your alcohol, Dad.
I told you cannot play my guitar. Put my guitar down. Oh, and please take Kitty with you. But you guys need to look at this. Here's currently the U.S. economy has started. Oh, hey, look right. I don't know how to do there. I don't have a green screen. Sorry about that, guys. So GDP, -1 print. Oh, I got more. I know I showed you this. This is semi-old, but wait till there's 2 and there's a recession. Sorry, we have been in a recession, but no one wants to call it. And then it's like, oh, why is my portfolio down? Guys, we are at the top. You put Palantir, 15% today? Put in the double top. I called my friend, wished him happy birthday. I said, by the way, our account's down 15%. I want to call your bankster at Edward Jones and tell him to move it because it's done. And I know I may have given you one final warning, okay? Maybe 2. So this is your final of final warnings. All my investor friends, Warren Buffett, he's out. Not only that, he's now retired. Do you think he may see something in the horizon? Actually, someone just wrote, Warren Buffett retiring from Berkshire Hathaway is probably the most obvious signal that we're about to enter a once in a 100-year market crash. It started there, it bounced to there, it bounced to there, it bounced to there. That's the 200. And now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and squirrels, we get to go lower. The good news is, click the button, because 100% of the time when you click the button in a recession, your digits go up. Actually, in the new course I'm filming, I put in a trade yesterday. I am up $1. Well, I mean, it was a $7 stock. Now it's to $6. Or more specifically, I'm up 4.59% since yesterday. Yes, I should have traded more than just one share. You know? Also, if you want to learn how to do it, my $1 million course, it's not $1 million, it's $299, and you get a free bear market course, how to make money going down. I teach you everything from start to finish. Throw in AI, let the computer do it. Because it's cool to click buttons and do it, but it's cool when it does it. But kids, the writing is on the wall. This is taking candy from babies. Investors currently, right now, are increasingly looking for safe havens. I wonder why. Net inflows into ETFs tracking gold, ultra-short treasuries, and low volatility stocks hit $18 billion in April, the highest since March 2023. Safe haven inflows are the cool thing now, or also known as doubled. So I think people are like, okay, this is it. Congratulations for everyone for making a shat ton of money on the way up. Now we shall make shat ton of money on the way down, while at the same time QE is happening. Wait, I didn't hear that from anyone. Let me say this again. QE has restarted. Hold on, Bravo. I haven't heard anything in the news that QE has started. I know. That's why you subscribe. You listen to the news, you're going to be upside down. You're going to be so bass-ackwards on everything. It's like following Jim Cramer. Oh, my account's down. All you have to do is just the complete opposite. But here we go. Here is JB sleuthing around, looking through Treasury auction results. Here it is. SOMA. You put on 20. That was a day after May the 4th be with you. That was the 5th. That was yesterday. There you go. Double red arrow. You know what that means? Well, I will tell you what that means. It means 20 billion. The Fed at auction purchased 20 billion of 3-year notes, marking the largest, congratulations, of these purchases since the beginning of 2021 QE. Oh, and with another sign of the times, you know that Fed discount window that I watched too? You don't have to, just click subscribe. I'll tell you. I'll tell you exactly what is going to happen. 3.5 billion at the discount window. That's a window that basically you don't want to go to if you're a bank, because then the other banks are like, uh-oh. Or people will go, oh, my bank's My money's in that bank. Well, it's not in that bank. It's gone. Poof, gone. It's coming in from Treasury News. The Fed provided liquidity via the discount window, $3.5 billion, and then $8 billion, and then $20 billion, and there goes your bank. But that's okay because they need the money, and there is currently no money in the system. If you're like, Johnny Bravo, why are you singing? I don't know, S&P 500. This is the lowest daily volume in over a month. Today, yesterday, tomorrow. Are you guys sure you want to go all in? Under 40 million shares only happened a handful of times in 2025. This is one of them. This is going to also represent a soon-to-be liquidity crisis. I actually just talked about that in my new course. It's all offsides. You have no money, and then everyone's on one side, and then when the market drops, everyone's like, is anyone going to buy this thing? Well, I don't know. I'm all in on Palantir. Hey, do your bank account a favor and learn how to click the button, click sell, all the way down to the bank. If you're holding PLTR, Palantir, oh my goodness gracious, down 14% on the day after reporting great earnings. Whatever. That's what everyone says that's holding it. It's like you can just look at all the look at your account. Oh, but wait, it gets better. It's down even more. 18% on the day. What? Look at this. And my apologies, I just lied to you. I saw 17.69. My eyes saw the 69. You're down 14%. And also, as you know, I trade every single day. I have watch lists. Oh, my, options watch list. I said it was like 48 hours. 20. I got to raise the price on that. Please just get it now. What is today? I don't even know. All I know is the markets are open and I can't do that $1 a day anymore. It's this one that I pulled off 148% on VRSN. But we were talking PLTR. You came here. You went all the way up. You went purple. Okay. Whale came on. That's it. Sells off. Purple again. Bounces. Triangle. False breakout. Breaks 7, 8, 9, almost puts in the 9. Here's the big deal. Let me clear away all the noise and show you something that is very important. This is called a double top. Goodbye. Also, for those of you that are like, well, I'll hold it for one more bounce. Okay. But just FYI, everything is repeating. 2007. Anxious builders pile on incentives. 2025. Wow, we just jumped real fast. It was May the 1st of 2025. Home builders are piling on discounts as they struggle to entice buyers. And the news and the media and people are like, we're fine. Actually, not true. I think the media wants the orange guy to take the fall on this. Oh, look at what the Don has done, right? The economy, the Great Depression, it's his fault. Get him out. Please, can we have Kamala back? But like what I was saying before, everything is repeating. You know, they say it doesn't repeat. It rhymes. It's fracking repeating. Shortly after the flash crash of 1929, Hoover implemented tariffs. Federal Reserve kept monetary policy tight, shrinking the monetary supply by 30%. As this post says, by collapsing trade, which, yep, that's what we got. Check. Dollar scarcity. Check. It is scarce because it's a loan. For those of you that still think that money is printed, I saw I think it was yesterday's video, I tried to explain it. Money is only loans. 98%, just to be kind of relatively spot on with statistical analysis. Yes, there is gold, silver, 1%. 1%, those sheets of paper that, yes, they print. 98% is loaned. Currently, the world is starving for dollars. I know it doesn't make sense because we could just print it, but it's loans, which is happening right now. The Fed, Hoover, intentionally caused the Great Depression. Looks something like that. So welcome. So get out your horse and buggy and let's go to town. I mean, even Mike Maloney is in on this. Yeah, I respect Mike. We are living in history. Only 0% of the time past S&P 500, 9, right? Again, everything is repeating. We're going to crash. And Mike says, buckle up. Really like the knowledge of Mike. He did miss the money part, though. And it is so hard for people to understand. That's why I come here every day. Shoot myself in the foot. try to teach you about money and how to make it. Not only that, where it comes from, which again, no one knows. Talking about, because his book or his video was The Hidden Secrets of Money. Number 1, Hidden Secrets of Money. It's not money. Number 2, it's not printed. Number 3, I'll teach you how to get it. I give you like the back door. You know what else other people don't have? They don't have all these fancy indicators. They just have what Jim Cramer say, what JP Morgan say. Brace for the short squeeze. JP Morgan's traders see path to S&P 500, 6K. But just so you know where 6K is, that's that top again. This is not a path. Look, path. This is not the path to 6K. 200-day moving average. Purple. You bounce out of that. I was shocked at how limited upside, which now we have great movement to the downside to make a shat ton of money. We come back up. We didn't even on the S&P 500, so close, but fail. Are you putting in a short yet on the S&P 500? The answer is no. If you're currently trading on the daily, you got to get that little white bar underneath the blue line. Also, what just happened on the S&P 500 just pulls everyone in. This whole bounce off of that blue trend line, which I said months ago it would do. 789, bounce, launched a course on it right here. Boom. How to make money on both sides, put in a buy, swing it up. I said this is it. This is as far as you're going to go. And I said this back weeks ago, a month ago. I did say you had to fill this gap. You filled it. You hit it. Now, if you want, change your time frame to the 4-hour and short this mother. To trade this, and I'll clean up everything, it is a rising wedge. You broke out of that rising wedge. Your price target is going to be 5,452. And as you can see here, one full candle close below the Bravo 9. Since I got you on the line, if you want to trade it, it's SPY. And it looks like this. And you come over here, right here, you click this little plus button, you create new order, you click sell, it's this easy, and you click sell. Ta-da! Oops, I hit limit. I'm just going to do a market, okay? Here we is. There we go. It's that easy. Oh, but what happens if it gets out of control? You could take out a stop loss. We can put a stop up here. Modify. Oh, I want to take what? How do we know when to take profit? Take my course. I'll show you. I'm just going to bring it down here, modify. That's it. This is what I do every single day. This at the same time, the media is lying to you. Beijing's lying to you. Actually, they stopped publishing hundreds of statistics to cover up the economic collapse, which is coming to a theater near you. Get tickets. As China's 6 largest banks report $1 billion profit drop in the first quarter of 2025. What? This cannot be correct. I thought everything is fine. No, it's not. This is your second to last warning that this is my final warning. All right, guys, I love you. Enjoy your life. Travel in the world. Trading every day. Come along, and I'll see you tomorrow.